Hey everybody, Nate, 2Topia Cycles. It's been a while since we've updated anyone or taken a look at the Laverda Project, so I just wanted to kind of catch everybody up a little bit on what's been going on. So basically, with COVID, we were getting ready to send some bits off, like the crank and some other things to have them redone, and with COVID and everything, it's kind of slowed us down. We've had to kind of switch gears like many people in the world right now, but we didn't want to just sit around on our haunches. So what we've done is kind of organized everything. We've created this special room just for the Laverda Project and started moving everything here so we can kind of lay it all out. And then see what we've got. Now you can see we've got the chassis here. Here's the crank that will be sent out soon. Our old pistons. We're going to go through and measure everything. Start doing the carburetors. We have everything soda or wet blasted and looking really good here. Been doing some polishing, just everything we can do, setting everything out, see what we have, see what we don't have. Get everything organized and just be ready when the time comes to go back. So you can see everything's getting ready. We got to send these and get the liners pressed out, our new liners in, get our new pistons. But you can kind of see we're just, making sure everything is here, making sure that when the time comes we're ready to go back together. And then you'll start seeing it take shape here in this very room. We'll be putting a lift in here. We'll be slowly putting it together, doing some other spots like this, just updating you. So stay tuned.